Hello, my name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and welcome to my curl channel. This is my client Taz, and I'm going to do a demonstration today on how to do a wash and go on her loose curly texture. I'm starting out on wet hair using our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm adding a little bit of our gloss to the conditioner to control any possible frizz that she may have while doing her wash and go. And then I'm going to add a little bit of our curl foaming mousse, and I'm going to massage it into her hair, focusing on the ends, and distribute with a detangling brush. Then I'm going to add a little bit of curl sauce and apply over and diffuse her. It's not necessary to use a whole lot of products on her texture. You just want to apply a thin coating with water. Make sure to use water, and you want to diffuse with a diffuser, or you can sit under a dryer until dry. But for added volume on this texture, it is definitely better to use a diffuser, and I'm adding a little bit of gloss to her hair for shine, and I'm adding body for additional hold. Thank you for watching. To see more tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, and to find out more about our products, visit our site mycurlproducts.com. Thank you.